Hey guys, it's Alicia with WTI. If you're looking to mix up some really delicious cocktails, you may want to give Peychaud's bitters a try. So these bitters really enhance a lot of different cocktails. Specifically in whiskey drinks, these bitters really just elevate it and add a little bit of extra zing to your drink. So it has a sort of anise bitter flavor, but a little bit of sweetness as well. And it has a little hint of mint. So we use these a lot in making a Sazerac drink, or they are delicious in a mint julep. And there's just lots of other things that you can do with these and experiment. So if you're looking to add a little complexity to your cocktails, these Peychaud's bitters really do that. They have this really interesting earthy flavor, lots of different notes that you get from it, and it just opens up your cocktail and makes it more exciting. So if you're looking to add something special to your next cocktail, I would definitely try the Peychaud's bitters. I think they're really great and an essential for any home bar, and that's my point of view.